In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the theme of your report in edit mode for a more polished and cohesive look. Let's dive right in by opening our report in edit mode. This step is crucial, as edit mode is where you'll have the opportunity and tools needed to make all those necessary adjustments to your report's appearance. Once you're in edit mode, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of your screen. Look for an option that says Theme and Layout. Give that a click. This will be your gateway to a whole new world of customization options for your report. After you've clicked Theme and Layout, you'll notice a panel opening up, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where we'll do most of our customization work. Focus on the tab labeled Theme. It's positioned prominently and is hard to miss, but it's key because this is where you get to play with various stylistic elements to give your report a fresh look. Now that you're in the Theme tab, take a moment to explore the list of pre-built themes displayed. These themes are designed by experts to instantly transform the visual aspects of your report. Selecting one of them will update the report styling, covering everything from backgrounds and font colors to chart colors and more. It's almost like giving your report a quick makeover, and the changes will apply immediately so you can see the difference right away. Once you've picked a theme, take a step back and review how everything looks. Pay attention to how your charts come across, how the text boxes pop or blend, and how the backgrounds complement the overall tone you're going for. Don't just settle for the first option. It's important to ensure the theme resonates with what you and your audience would find visually appealing. If you find that the look you selected aligns with your vision, fantastic. You can choose to keep it as is and move forward with that design. However, if it's not quite there yet, or if you feel like a few tweaks could enhance it further, don't worry. There are customization options available to tailor every element to your liking, but that's a topic we'll dive into in the next section. By the end of this simple process, your report should have a unified appearance that effectively conveys your information while holding aesthetic appeal. Feel free to experiment with different themes to discover the perfect fit for your report's needs. And with that, you've just learned how to revamp your report's theme seamlessly. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most out of your editing tools.